Right. So today what we are going to do is in the continuous of the if condition, say we'll see something like this. Here the marks is, say you define the marks. If the mark is greater than equal to 40, then you have to say pass, otherwise fail. Okay, we'll try something like this today. So now I will create a folder for today's working. So you also can create your folder. So I am creating a folder here.
Excuse me, sir.
Say
Me,
JavaScript.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
can you tell me which are we doing activity 31 still?
Yes, yes. And now, yes, actually, what we are doing is this UNIT2 JavaScript activity 31 programming functionality. Last time we started activity 31 part 5 selection. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I remember. It's just I wanted to refresh.
No. Thanks for the question. Thank you. So if you have a question like this, you can ask anytime because you have to clarify the doubt. No. So now you are clear. No, that means we have done this part. So last time we have done this part. Today we'll continue from that part. There is a question here. This document only today I'm going to discuss. So anything still confusion? Right. Okay, right. So any questions, please ask. Okay, then if you have clarification,
No, sir.
So that's why this time is there to clarify your doubts and to go forward. Right. So now let me discuss how to do this thing. So now in my computer, so what I do is for practical work. So JavaScript, I create a folder here. Say conditions. So like that, so selection I can create. So in your folder, in your computer, you may create your own folder. Selection. Right. So now what I do is I will go to VS Code here. So I will go to VS Code and open my folder. So D JavaScript selection or select folder. Right. Now here only I'm going to do that part. So I will take so I'll take a example call if marks.html. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to check the marks. So normally you say HTML. So here you have the tag and you have the body tag. Okay. Now addition to that, now you have the script tag JavaScript. So you will be having script. So you will be having the script and you will have the in-script. So this is the structure of the coding. So now what I do is I will define var marks is equal to 70. So now what I do is I'll say if marks greater than equal to 40, so greater than equal to 40, then you have to put the bracket. So if condition starts now, here what you do is then you can say document.write pass. So else say you can say document dot write. Wait. Okay. So here, so now let me save this and I'll run this one. So it is pass. Suppose if I change uh, uh, if I change this one here, say 10. If I change 10, so here it will be pay. So that is so anything you want to ask here, please? So this is this is a simple if condition, how to check the mark, pass or fail. Right. Next thing, next program, what we do is, so we will do like this. This is marks is hard coded inside the coding, no? So next time we will include a input box and get the marks. So we'll see how we can do that one.
So by input box, do you mean like getting an input from the user?
Yes. Now, yeah. Now we are going to get the input. Now, actually, this coding is you have to give the marks inside the program. Say marks 10 mean you have to give it. So again, marks 80 mean you have to give it here. So now next program is when you run the program, it will ask the marks from the user through the input box. So user can give any marks. Okay, I think when I do it, it will be clear for you. So now I am going to do next one. If marks input, so my program is this input HTML. So this is my coding here. What I do is now for easy, for the easiness, what I do is I'll Control A, Control C. So I'll remove this part. So, okay, structure is, I keep the structure here. Okay, right. Okay, I'll keep the structure here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to input the marks. Okay, so to input the marks, so what I do, I'm going to say var a is equal to prompt. So a is equal to prompt input marks. So input marks. Now what I do is I will have the condition now. So if marks greater than equal to 40, so here I will put the condition. Then what you do, so document write. So pass. Then what you do is else part. So document write, I'll say fail. So Control S. Now we'll see here. So it will ask for a marks. So I will put 20. So something wrong here. It doesn't display anything. So let me check the coding now. Something wrong here. Document.write. Document Okay, now what is the mistake here? Can someone tell me? There's a mistake here. So you can find out the mistake. That is good because I have made a small mistake here.
Suppose to write.
What is the mistake?
Is it?
Carefully see these lines and tell me what is the mistake here. Yeah, I am getting these marks into what variable? So what should I come? What should I put here?
Ah, right. You didn't put the you didn't
Ah, yes, A. Right. Okay, that means either you can change yes or here. So here you can change it to A.
you didn't right. You didn't have the variable. Sorry, variable.
Yeah.
What variable it is?
So
Sorry.
something is not clear. Put the chat message to me, right? Yes, you can put the variable in the if condition, right? Now it is it should be okay, right? So here, still it's a problem. I think I didn't save it. So Control S. .48 is pass. Again, I'll say 23 is fail. Are you clear these two codings? Are you clear? That means what is the difference between what is
Yeah,
the
I can.
what is the are you clear these two codings? What is the difference between these two? Here the marks is inside the program, hard coded in the program.
Already the marks are already imported. While in the second one, you have to actually input the. You have to actually
Yes, second one.
actually insert the insert the actual value of the variable.
Yeah, that's right. Second one, you have a facility to you have a facility to okay, you have a facility to input the value anytime, right? So that is a simple. This is a marks condition. Now we will do another program. Say the grading program. Okay, now we will do a grading program. Normally, in our school, that grading program we'll see. I will take another one. That is, if right. Is there a way for the page to like continuously ask you the mass rather than refreshing the page? Yes. Then in that case, you can develop a form. You can develop the web forms and you can do it. Yes, can be done. Yes. Yeah, that can be done. Now you have to use the web forms. Then in that case, you can do it. We'll be learning forms later. So in that case, you can continuously do it. Okay. Okay. Any other?
Sir, can you repeat that explanation? I didn't hear it.
All right. Okay. Now, good. Now here is asking. Uh, now every time. Now every time. Now. Okay. Every time I have to run this code now to input the mask. So you enter.
Yes.
So then again to get the next time also I have to run the I have to open the page to get the input the mask now. So
Yes.
without this, how to do it continuously? Yes. So that can be done. Okay, that can be done using forms, web forms. So that means JavaScript, HTML, we have forms. There you can continuously do it. Yes, can be done.
Okay. Okay, sir.
That we will do it definitely. Okay, thanks for the
Yeah.
question.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Now let me do the another one. So So keep on better to ask, keep on ask questions, then only you will be learning something. So nested, okay, I am using the nested. So right, this time I am going to use the nested if condition. So here, all these codings, everything in your notebook, in your folder, everything is there. So please, after I explain, so please copy it in your notebook. Then easy. Otherwise, last moment you will be having trouble to study. You see clearly, I have given everything here. You see this document is having. Here see simple marks is hard coded. Here the marks is input and here the nested if condition. Right. So we will be doing this one now. Okay, right. So now as we discussed earlier, so now simply what I do is I will copy this one here. Okay, I will simply I will copy this one. Okay, I have the script part. I'll keep the script part as it is. So script, okay. So now please see this one here. Okay. Now here variable you have marks equal to 70. Now I am taking the marks is 70. So here we'll say if marks greater than equal to 75. So here then what I do is I'm saying document dot write. So document dot write grade A. Okay, then what will happen else? See the way I am doing it. So else if I'm saying marks so greater than equal to 65. So I'm saying here so I'll see document dot write. So I'm saying here greater than equal to 65 it is B. Okay, then else if here I'm saying marks greater than equal to 55. So then you have here we say document dot write. We say it is grade C. Okay. Then again else if marks greater than equal to 40. Document dot write grade is else now we can say document dot write grade F. Okay, right. Now let me run the code and see. I'll save. Yeah, it is B. Okay, now it is 70 now. 70 mean it doesn't go inside this one. We'll check this one. Suppose if I put 50, what will happen? Yeah, if I put 50. So what is the output you expect if I put 50? Can someone tell me if I put marks 50?
Grade S.
Marks is what is the grade you get?
S.
Yes, okay. We'll
You get S.
run the code and see. Okay, right. So that is about the nested if condition. So
So here also you can write like the previous code, right? You can also make it so that the user inputs the
yes,
number,
yes,
the marks.
yes. You can do it.
Implements like an
Yeah, we can do it. I'll show you how to do it. Control C. Okay, now yeah, you can do it. If marks say if marks nested say input .html. So what I do is here for the moment I'll take this Control C, Control V. So now I have to get the input part. So I have to get, so I will not, this time I will not give the marks here. So I am going to say var. So marks. So so equal prompt. So here input so input the marks. Okay, right. So let me save this one first. So I will save that one, nested input. So I will give you marks. So 45. Yes. Okay. So anytime when you give marks, and now here the prompt statement you can input the marks. Right. Anything you want to clarify in the if condition? So here, so now this we are completing the if condition. So now, so here we have done the if condition part. So yeah, the selection part 5 is completed. All the codings and the everything is here. Anything you want to clarify or anything I have to do it again, you can tell me now.
Can you show me the if marks nested code? I'm still writing it down.
Oh, yeah, once again, this part you want to see?
I just wanted to see for a minute.
This part?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You want to write it now? Okay, I'll.
So, so no doubt, but then what does the prompt stand for?
Come again, please.
Prompt is like a
Yeah, the prompt is
like a
input box.
like the comment.
Yeah, now
like the
I
input
think,
heading.
If you can remember in the first say now, if you can remember, we discuss here these boxes, pop-up boxes. There we discuss alert, and the so there are 3 type of box we have: alert, confirm, prompt. So the prompt example you can see there, you get a box here.
Wait. Yeah, I have it. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so thanks for the question. So thanks for the question. Now, the question. Now, the question is, so now this we have completing the if condition. So now, so what I do is here, so now if you can remember in the first say now, if you can remember, we discuss here these boxes, pop-up boxes. There we discuss alert, confirm, prompt. So the prompt example you can see there, you get a box here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so thanks for the question. Anything you want to clarify more?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, right, then so then now slowly okay, now we slowly moving to the section one by one. So now we are here part 5 selection now, right? Right. Now I want to move to the subprograms. Okay, right. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, any question? Right. So before I go to the subprograms, we'll take one past paper question and see how the papers have come. Okay, right. Say we'll take this June 2019. So there's a if condition question here, right? Okay, can you answer this question? June 2019, what is the answer for this question? I'll give you a few minutes. How you can answer this question? Normally, the third part is a JavaScript. Section A, the third part is
Sir, I can't see your screen, sir.
You can't see my screen. Now can you?
Wait, sir. Shall I rejoin, sir? Give me a minute.
Now you can see.
No, sir. Okay, so I can see.
What is the answer for this question?
The letter, this is a letter. The letter rate is pounds 65.65.
That mean
Answer.
this will display.
The alert is the very first alert.
Yes, exactly
This is
correct.
the letter rate.
Yeah, exactly correct. Very good. So, but yeah, exactly correct. So, very good. So here that this will be displayed. Here, see how how it is. I think it is going to terminate. We have to rejoin again. After that, when we rejoin, I'll explain again.
Okay, sir.